Guys, today we will talk about Web3 Coin Airdrop. I'm keeping eye on a Web3 coin since I got its airdrop in my trust wallet, where Meta UFO price got shrinked to almost half of it. Web3 coin's price didn't get affected much. But its airdrop is about to end soon, as it will get unlocked by 25th of June 2022. So, if you don't have it, just grab it. Apps required: Telegram, Trust Wallet, Twitter, and YouTube. The keynotes are: instant withdrawal to wallet. Referral is not mandatory. Each referral will earn you 2000 Web3 coins. Minimum claim referral amount is 10,000 Web3 coins, means cannot be claimed less than 5 referrals. Airdrop link is in description. Click it. Come to this bar, click on start. Click on this link. Join it. Come back with arrow key. Click on this subscribe Web3 Coin channel. Join it. Come back by arrow key. Click on sponsor channel. Click on join. Come back with arrow key. Here you need to submit your Telegram username and send it. After that, click on next. Now here, click on Twitter. Click on open. Follow this page. Come back from this arrow key. We need to copy these 3 hashtags. So copy them. Now again, click on Twitter. Click on open. Now, here is the first pinned tweet. We need to retweet it. Hit the retweet logo. Click on quote tweet. Here we need to paste those 3 hashtags which we have copied. Now click on retweet. And here we got a notification. Click on it. And this is the sharing button. Click on this sharing button and copy a link from here. But if you miss that notification, nothing to worry. Come to your home page. Click on profile picture. Click on profile. And then click on tweet and replies. Here you will find your tweet. Click on sharing button. Click on copy link. Come to Telegram. Click on sponsor link, open it, click on follow, click on back key, come to Telegram, click on this YouTube link,
School YouTube channel.
You can watch this video, or if you like, you can subscribe this channel also. After that, come back to Telegram, paste your Twitter link, what we have copied, in Twitter, pay and send it. Now it's asking for your Trust Wallet's receiving address. You will get contact address of Web3 Coin in description. If it will not allow you to copy, go to my Telegram or Facebook page. There I'll paste the same. Copy it from there. Click on this and paste it. Add in custom token. Click on Ethereum. Change it to Smart Chain. Click on Paste. Click on Done. Click on Receive. Click on Copy and paste it to Telegram and send it. Now click on Claim. Now click on a referral. Copy this link and save it so that you can send it to your friends. After 3-4 hours, open your Trust Wallet and here we got 10,000 Web3 coins worth $183.44. If you would like to change it to your local currency, click on Setting, click on Preferences, click on Currency. Here you can select your local currency. For example, I have converted into Indian rupees at 14,252 and 6 paise. Guys, I'm an airdrop hunter. If you miss subscription of our channel, you may miss some nice airdrop too. As we all know, airdrops are for a limited time period only. So hit subscribe button and click on the bell icon too, so that my latest videos can reach you fastly. Like video as well and share with your friends so that they can get benefited too, and let me know what you think about this video in comment section. And don't forget to tell me I got airdrop after it got credited in your Trust Wallet. Thank you very much. We'll catch you soon in next video.